In this video, I'll show you how to automatically resize an image while keeping its aspect ratio using just CSS. This is a common need in responsive design. When building flexible layouts or working with different screen sizes, you want your images to scale properly without getting stretched or distorted. Let's look at this example. We have a container with a fixed max width. Inside it is an image with two CSS rules, max width 100% and height auto. The max width 100% ensures the image never exceeds the size of its container. The height auto keeps the image's proportions locked in, so the width and height scale together correctly. Watch what happens when I resize the browser window. The image shrinks smoothly to fit, and it never gets squashed. Now, if I remove height auto, notice the image starts to look distorted as the width changes, but the height does not respond. That's why both properties are needed together. This method works with any image size and any container, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your layouts responsive and visually consistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip useful, like and subscribe for more practical web development tutorials.